Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NNDM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the pullback continued today, so definitely some updates here need to be made. The first key update just comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So the newest area of resistance going into next week is going to be right there at $9.35, that red line there. So if there is any sort of attempted, consolidation and then movement back to the upside, that's where the big question mark resides, is can the price, of course, just first off, get up to that level, but then more importantly, can the price break above and stay above $9.35? So we want to keep a very close eye on that moving forward as that, main battleground point from the resistance side of things. If the price can push up through there, then yeah, you can start to focus on some of these areas up around the $10 mark. But in my opinion, I don't want to, throw a bunch of lines on the chart and, risk creating clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. And, step number one is getting back above 935. And if that occurs, I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart at that point in time. But keep an eye on that in the near term. As far as next levels of resistance of support are concerned, key level to watch moving forward into next week going to be right down there at the $8.60 mark. You can see 860 has been doing a very impressive job, not only from today, but you look back here in the charts history, and you can see there's been several other instances where that level has held strong. So you want to keep a close eye on that too. But overall, those are going to be the two main near-term levels that are most relevant. Now, if you care about somebody if you care about the perspective, just the big picture point of view, then really, even if the price were to break below both those areas of support, that still doesn't mean that the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that, because there is still plenty of opportunity to build an overall higher base. But in the near term and, in terms of speaking about things from preferably speaking, what do you want to see happen? Definitely staying above, the 860 mark would be fantastic. And then the sooner the price can get back above 935, the better. But we'll see what this one has to offer next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.